Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili pickles. Start by preparing cucumbers, chilies, and a brine with vinegar, water, salt, and sugar. Slice or leave whole depending on preference and jar size. Pack cucumbers and chilies tightly into sanitized jars, removing air pockets. Pour hot brine to cover, leaving a small headspace. Seal jars and cool before refrigerating for quick pickles or ferment at room temperature for deeper tang. Combine vinegar, water, and salt in a pot and heat until salt dissolves, then taste and adjust. Add sugar if you prefer a touch of sweetness to balance heat from chili. Toast mustard seed or coriander briefly to release aroma before adding to jars. Consider adding fresh garlic cloves and sprigs of dill for depth. Pour the hot brine over packed jars, ensuring spices distribute evenly, then seal and cool. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I loved the simple path to wealth because it simplifies money decisions and reduces stress around saving and investing, which pairs well with cooking smart on a budget. I mention it because good habits in the kitchen and finances both pay off. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose quick pickles for immediate crispness and a bright vinegar punch, or choose fermentation for nuanced sourness and probiotic benefits over time. Keep quick pickles chilled and consume within weeks for best texture. For fermentation, place jars in a cool spot out of direct sun and burp daily to release gas. Taste periodically and move to the fridge when you like the acidity. Always use clean utensils to avoid contamination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.